How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veins to pop out of your hands, a fast tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So first exercise we're going to do is extensions. That's 15, keep going, 16, 17, 18, it's 20, 30, perfect, quick little break. We're then going to do a curl. Perfect, quick little break. The next exercise we're going to do is the claw stretch. So we're going to get our fingers like this. We want to squeeze them really, really tight and then hold this stretched position for about 20 seconds. Really important when doing this exercise, we squeeze the whole entire time. Really squeeze really, really hard. And then the stretch position, again, our hands are stretched like this. We're just going to hold this for as long as possible. Again, really, really great exercise. I love the claw stretch. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to do extensions. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to grab our hands, squeeze really, really tight. Hold this. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, almost there. Another 5 seconds, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, you guys, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do a curl. It's 20, keep going. 30, keep going. 40, perfect. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.